Dr. Kevin Christie here. Today we're going to go over a pre-round golf warm-up, really simple to do. Some of the key aspects is making sure we can do it without having to get on the ground, because most likely you're going to be at the golf course and you're not going to want to do that. So we just try to go over 5 simple things. Key thing is don't do static stretching prior to. You want to really do warm-up. You want to do dynamic movement. The difference between dynamic movement and, say, ballistic stretching is it's a controlled, steady movement versus ballistic movements would be kind of like someone bouncing up and down. So we don't want to do anything like that. So all you need at the driving range, make sure you do this before you hit golf balls, before you're putting or anything like that, is just a golf club. And we're going to do 5 simple warm-ups for you. First one we're going to do is actually without the club, so you can put that down. And we're going to get into a position here. You're going to get bent over. You're going to place the elbow into the knee, and then from here, you're going to take this arm, and you're just going to go to nice little rotations. We call this the A-frame stretch, and just nice and easy. You would do both sides, just like that. Perfect. And you can do 8 to 10 on each side. Just do one set of that, and that'll be the first one that you do. And then moving forward from there, the second one that we're going to do is a nice little hamstring stretch. I'll show you from the side. You just take the golf club here, and you go down from there. Keep the sternum up, and go down. For me, I'm pretty tight, but you'll feel a stretch right in the hamstrings. And go down and do that. Again, 8 to 10. That's a really good one to do, so that's number 2. The third one I like to do is to get to really open up the shoulders and the chest, is to just take this this club, get a nice little stretch there, a little stretch in the shoulders there. The fourth one we're going to do from here, you're going to work on the rotation with the golf club, get into there, just like that. Perfect. Again, 8 to 10 on both sides of that one. And lastly, the fifth one we're going to do is just to try to get a little bit of muscle contractions in the legs. And just here, and just do some easy squats, just like that. Nice and controlled, keep the chest up, look straight ahead, and do 8 to 10 of those as well. So do those 5. Again, that's the A-frame stretch, that's the standing hamstring stretch, that's the rotations with the shoulder, and then the whole torso, and then lastly the squats. Add that to your routine. It should take 3 to 5 minutes, and it'll really help prevent some of the injuries.